is Tuesday, the day of fishing day. Samahan nyo kami guys. Ewan ko ba bakit makatilong ko lagi. Relax ka noon. Sunny day. Why, there's a fish here?